Make the best tomato and egg stir fry in just 10 minutes. Score an egg on each tomato. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Blanch the tomatoes for 30 seconds. Peel them easily. Then cut into large chunks. "350 grams of tomatoes pair perfectly with 2 eggs. Add a pinch of salt and sugar to the eggs. Sugar helps them fluff up. Beat the eggs at an angle. It adds more air and makes them lighter. Heat your pan over medium-high. Add a bit more oil than usual. When you can clearly feel the heat above the pan, pour in the eggs. Don't stir right away. Once the edge is set, gently push the eggs inward. Break them into large, soft chunks. You want a light crust on the outside, and just set tender eggs inside. Leave a little oil in the pan. Keep the heat at medium-high. Add the tomatoes. Press them to release the juices quickly. Add the eggs back in. Stir in 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Season with salt to taste. Stir fry for 1 minute. Add chopped green onions. Cook for 10 more seconds. Then plate. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe for more simple recipes. See you in the next one.